I'm Jennifer Stagg of Stagg Design. Nothing can bring warmth and comfort to your home quite like a fire. I'm going to be showing you how to light a gas fireplace by following these simple steps. Ours has the gas valve key, so you need this key and a lighter. If your fireplace has a screen or cover over it, you'll want to open that first. Ours has this sliding screen. Before lighting your fireplace, you'll need to open your chimney vent or flue. This also applies for any kind of wood-burning fireplace. For some fireplaces, you have to use the key to light and turn it off. For ours, we just use the key to turn it off. So I'm going to turn on the gas valve over here. Once I turn it on, you should be able to hear the hiss of the gas. And then I'm going to use my lighter to light the fireplace. This is a pretty fast process, so I wanted to explain it first before I get going. So now that the fireplace is lit, use the key to control the height of the flames. When you're ready to turn off your fireplace, you're going to use your key to insert into the valve and turn it all the way off. Now that you know how to light a gas fireplace, you can warm things up in your home no matter how chilly the weather gets. For more information on this project, you can head over to homedepot.com.